In this video, I will share with you how to get product reviews in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and just below my products or below my related products, I have the review section. And how to get this, it's simple. Just log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on Edit Website. This is the same website we've just visited, and here switch from the website builder to manage store. If you don't have this manage store in this list, this means you need to create your online store. Just from here, click on manage store or this bin icon, then create your store. After that, switch to store management area, and below products, click on product reviews. In your case, if the first time you enable product reviews on Hostinger Website Builder, you will see a different or a simpler page with just a reviews enabling button. Click on enable reviews button and you will see this page. When you see this page, this means that your product review or your products on your online store in Hostinger Website Builder will start having this reviews section. And if you leave, let's try to leave a review. Let's give this digital gift card 5-star. This review is from Ben at bensexperience.com. And this is my review. Thanks. Click on submit. Thank you. We received your review. It will be published as soon as we verify it. Now, to verify a review, visit the same product reviews page. In my case, I will refresh this page and you will see your pending reviews here. This is the product that received this review. This is the review text and also stars, the review date, AI scan. AI auto checks reviews and gives results. And below status, this one is still in pending. Click on pending and select published, rejected, or keep it pending. In this case, I will hit publish it. Now that this review is published, let's go back to the product page, hit refresh, and let's go to the review section. Yes, my product reviews looks like this. Leave the review button, the stars, the text, the review date, and the reviewer name. And this is how to get product reviews in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.